Hello everyone, we are with Mr. P. Uday Kumar, Director of NSIC. So first of all, I would like to welcome you to the Garment Show of India. Sir, please tell us what do you think about the present status of textile industry in India?
Yeah, as I said in the morning, actually, there's a huge opportunity for the textile industry, especially for the apparel industry, both in the domestic sector as well as in the export sector. But actually, unfortunately, the export has been declining, which is a serious matter of concern. And whereas actually the domestic sector is also not fully penetrated. I think what is happening is, I think with about 46 billion US dollars market in India, which is coming mainly from the Tier 1, Tier 2 cities. I think what is required is actually this market has to penetrate up to the rural level as well as to the Tier 3 and Tier 2 cities. And I'm sure this will definitely create a massive market for the apparel industry in India. And in this regard, MSME Ministry and under NSIC, we have a lot of support programs, we have subsidies, we have support schemes. I'm sure I think this will help the apparel sector to become more competitive. Once you become more competitive, I think then your prices will be reasonable. Then I think you can also, not only you can penetrate in the domestic market, you can penetrate in the export market also with a lot of price advantage.
So as a marketer, what are the challenges that you face?
No, as per the MSME sector, one of the main challenges actually creation of the awareness among the MSME sector, because government and as well as our company has got a lot of policies and schemes. But only thing is reaching out to all this organized and unorganized MSME sector is it's a major challenge actually. And I think which involves a lot of manual interventions. But now I think with the digital aggregation, taking a big chunk of the penetration, I think now the things will be much easier, especially the digital savvy companies. It will be much easier to reach out and get them on board.
So it's a labor-intensive industry. So what additional support do you expect from the government? What major change in policy?
Yeah, actually, in fact, one side actually, when you look at India, in fact, self-employment or employment generation is one of the topmost priority. But although actually the textile sector, for the same reason, it is also remaining little less competitive, because you need to bring in, automation in this industry, but at the same time, without compromising much on the employment generation actually. So, but notwithstanding that, actually, this is a sector which gives a maximum employment potential for the new generation people. Or I think once you scale up your production, once you target the world market, I think there is going to be a huge opportunity in terms of employment generation.
So do you think that GST has affected the market negatively?
No, I don't subscribe to that theory actually. In fact, initially, especially the unorganized manufacturers in the apparel industry would have taken a hit actually. But I think if you want to really grow nationally as well as internationally, I think you have to now, you have to come on board with the GST. And I think once you come on board with GST, that will give a lot of price competitiveness, because you'll be able to take the input tax credit for your GST inputs. And I think then you can, scale up your production to global levels.
So lastly, your comments on the Garment Show of India.
This is the first time I'm attending this apparel expo. I think it's quite impressive, but actually, I could also understand, so much of creativity, so much of hard work, so much of, money, all go into this garment industry. Because I've attended a couple of other events, but I think here I could understand a lot of nitty-gritties, and also I could understand certain areas where MSME Ministry can pitch in and make them more competitive.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. So thank you so much. Okay.